Alright. So I'm gonna tell you guys what happened. I was cruising along, heading up Sapa, just chilling, riding with carpet over there, right? And sure enough, this Yamaha R6 comes behind me. So of course I have to race him. So we're freaking getting on it, leaning into the curves, right? He pulls ahead. We finally get to a part where there's like 3 semis ahead of us, and that's where I'm able to twist and get in front of him. So I have a lead. I have a lead on him for at least about 3 or 4 minutes, right? And then it happens. We go into almost a 90-degree curve, an angle, right? So our knees are down. We're leaning like all the way, and your foot goes on your pedal, right? So your foot's on the end of your pedal. And it got snagged on a freaking rock. I lost my traction. My bike went like this. I was able to grab it, and he passed me. And because of that, yeah, this dude at this R6, he pulled ahead, and I was not able to catch him. The reason I was able to beat him in the beginning is because of skill, riding skill. He had more CC, but I had more skill. But once I made that one mistake, I lost the one advantage I had. So there's Carpet sitting over there. She's in timeout. Bad Carpet, bad motorcycle. You lost me the race. So yeah, I'm sitting up here in Sapa by a fire right now, the Batman helmet. So yeah, the first loss. And to that Yamaha R6 guy, I'm looking for you, man. I'm looking for you. You have a green book bag. You have a, I'm guessing 2018 Yamaha R6 with a Two Brothers exhaust and aluminum sprocket. That's all I could tell. You got lucky on that rock. And I'm lucky I didn't die, because when my foot snagged, it twisted it all the way to the right. So it twisted it all the way to the right. And I'm telling you, like we were in like almost a 90-degree perfect angle. And yeah, so anyways, yeah, I'll give you guys a little view of where I'm at. Just kind of hanging out by this beautiful Christmas tree. It's very pretty. So yeah, my first loss in 2 years of being in Lao Cai. And we got this cool little fire here. Keep your hands warm. Very, very, very cool. Keep dropping my helmet. Hello. Hi. So, alright, well, I guess I had to admit my shame. My public shaming. You can't win every race, can you? So, it's Indy. I'll see you guys.